and welcome to another episode of Modern Workplace News Flash, where I take you through some of the latest news from Microsoft so you don't have to. Um, yeah, I know it's been a while since we did the last episode, but I was been busy. But I'm here now, so let's get cracking and let's see what's new. Let's take a look at OneDrive first, and what's new in OneDrive? Well, a lot, not a lot really. So in Windows, we've been able to, exclude certain file types. I mentioned previously in one of my episodes that you can limit, shortcuts on desktops and things like that, and exclude them from syncing with OneDrive. But now you can do it on Mac OS as well. Cool. If you've got a Mac OS, we can do that. So if you do use Outlook on the web, like I do, if you've clicked on an attachment, it opens up in a window that looks like this. Microsoft have just tweaked the buttons and the orders slightly, as highlighted there, so that you can edit and reply and also save to OneDrive, download, all at the same location. Small changes. Hey, what's new in Teams? Let's take a look. Breakout rooms, you can now reassign participants if the room is open. Previously, the rooms had to be closed to do that. Now you can do that while they're open. Interesting how it's going to work if you're in a breakout room and the organizer decides to shift you to a different room. But hey, let's see how that pans out. Another change, pretty cool. In Teams, if you have looked at the polls tab when you're having a meeting, you could always set up a poll, but now it actually suggests some interesting polls for you. Maybe they apply, maybe they don't. Microsoft will recommend some short polls for you. I guess it's based on the title of the meeting, maybe. Don't know. But yeah, just a quicker way of getting those polls out. This is a pretty cool one. Now you will have the ability to change your background in Teams on your mobile device. We're all used to this from your desktop client, but now you can do it on a mobile device. Unfortunately, there's been no mentioning of Android. That sucks. Anyway, hopefully I'm sure Microsoft will come to the party and provide it on Android as well. But for now, it's coming to iOS. So iOS users, all your iPhone fans, look out for that. It's pretty cool. Now you can cast your device to a Teams room device. So if you're in a meeting room that's got a Teams device or or Teams rooms device, you'd be able to cast your phone, where you can either project some content or project your entire screen. If that is what you want to do, you can do that. Cool. What else is new? Simple notification styles. So by default, Teams have got its own little notification, that purple one that pops up every time. You can now change that to the Windows native notification style. Then it looks like that. I kind of like the Windows style. Don't like the purple color, but hey, it's just personal preference. But again, small changes to that. So let's take a look at what is new in the world of SharePoint. Immersive Reader. Now, Immersive Reader is not a new concept. It's nothing new. It's been a while on the Office applications, and it's just the ability to zoom in on text and have the ability to play that back to you. For some people, that makes sense. And Microsoft have now introduced it into SharePoint on a SharePoint site, so that's pretty cool. If audience targeting, if you're a fan of it, I suppose especially when you're building intranets, you can now apply audience targeting to events on the events website. So if there's certain events you want to make visible only to a specific audience, you can do so. Nice. Well, here's an interesting one. New site templates. Where's this come from? We've been all used to the blank site or the showcase or the topic one, which I don't think a lot of us has used. Well, personally, I haven't used them all. I've started blank is probably easier. But Microsoft have now started realizing probably that there's more to creating sites than just those three templates, and they're starting to push out additional ones. So as you can see on the screen, you can pick one from the list that Microsoft created, or if you do have your custom templates, you can pick that from your own organization tab. There's quite a bit of them coming. These are the ones listed. I'm not going to read it to you. There are lots of, you can read it yourself or go and research it, Google it. But yeah, there's pretty interesting templates coming that you can probably use as a starting point, and then customize and extend and enhance as you see fit. So yeah, go and have a look. Seems pretty cool. Lists for iPads. Previous sessions I mentioned lists for iOS. So if you've got an iPhone, you could download the Microsoft Lists app and interact and chop and change, lists from your mobile device. Now you can do it from an iPad. TikTok, Microsoft. Where's the Android versions? I'm still waiting patiently, I would add. Here's another cool one. If you do use Microsoft Lists, I would imagine you would have quite a bit of columns with lots of data in them, and you would have wanted a way to create a Power BI dashboard of insights, at least, of that data. At the moment, you have to kind of do it manually yourself and hook up the connections and start playing around with the data. But no more. You can just click on Integrate Power BI and go visualize the list. And bam, presto, you got some insights on that list. Basic, but it's there. So you can probably go and extend that too. But hey, pretty cool. Without minimal effort, you can now visualize your data in Power BI from Microsoft Lists. Cool. Well, that's all we got time for today. Hope you took something away from it. Again, like and subscribe, follow, or do all those cool things. And I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye.